From a tiny pin to huge power plants. From hardware to houseware. From agriculture to construction. From architecture to sculpture. From engineering to industries. From hospitals to hotels. From home appliances to office stationery. From transportation to communication. From safety grills to enormous edifices. Thousands of applications. 100 years. Stainless steel. Right from the year 1913, when Harry Brearley discovered and casted the first commercial Martensic chromium-resistant alloy for gun barrels in Sheffield, England, till today, stainless steel has grown to be an integral part of our lives. Having gone through numerous technical, material, and process changes, this wonder metal has come a long way, and it is still ready for more innovations and transformations in the coming century. Have you ever thought, why can't we imagine our kitchens without stainless steel? Why can't we think of any alternative of this amazing alloy? Let me tell you, as the name rightly suggests, stainless steel does not stain, corrode, or rust as easily as the ordinary steel. With higher resistance to oxidation and corrosion in many natural and man-made environments, stainless steel is also strong, hygienic, environment-friendly, and 100% recyclable. And these characteristics make it a perfect material for a world of uses. Today, the use of this metal has become a necessity for almost all walks of life. Stainless steel of various kinds are used in thousands of applications, right from cutlery, sinks, saucepans, washing machine drums, microwave oven liners and razor blades, to various cladding, handrails, door and window fittings, street furniture, structural sections, reinforcement bars, lighting columns, lintels and masonry supports. Stainless steel appears everywhere. Exhaust systems, cars, aircrafts, ship containers, pressure wells, process piping, surgical instruments, surgical implants, and MRI scanners are a few more areas where the use of stainless steel is vital. At least 100 combinations of stainless steel are being used by different industries. It's far ahead than invention or innovation. It's much more than metal or metallurgy. It's not just a story. It's 100 years of glory. It's not just an alloy. It's a phenomenon. Stainless steel. Saluting this phenomenon, an entity came into existence with a vision to organize the widely spread Indian stainless steel industry and an objective to create awareness about the trade opportunities in the national as well as international markets. ISDO, Indian Stainless Steel Development Organization. ISDO's mission is to act as a catalyst in the growth process of the stainless steel industry to accelerate it. This unique initiative instantly got tremendous response from the entire industry. By organizing various events and exhibitions, ISDO is providing a platform to the industry players nationally and globally to join hands for success. In the year 2012, stainless steel production globally grew by 5.2% to reach a record high of 35.4 million metric tons. As we all know, India is the third largest producer of and second largest consumer of stainless steel in the world. In this growth march of India, its growth engine, Gujarat, is playing a vital role in every sphere. Strategically located on the west coast of India, Gujarat is acting as the gateway to the rich landlocked northern and centre vicinity of the country. In the visionary leadership of its CM, Shri Narendra Modi, Gujarat has attained the state of the most favoured location for industrial investment in the country. Shri Narendra Modi, whom the entire nation sees as the next Prime Minister and who is also nominated for the same by BJP, has taken some spectacular steps in the fields of economic advancement, infrastructure development, energy supply betterment and many more. The existence of high-class infrastructure facilities, business-friendly environment, ideal hospitality and pleasant weather further add to the prospect of the development of the stainless steel industry in this state. And thus, ISDO has chosen the capital of this state, Gandhinagar, as the next hub for organizing the biggest international stainless steel fair, INDINOX 2015. Considering the huge potential of the stainless steel market across the globe, ISDO has decided to organize this fair that will provide a ground to all the stainless steel manufacturers and businessmen to innovate new ways to grow faster. As per the growth projections of stainless steel industry in India by the Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India, this industry will only witness a boom in the coming years. With the rising demand globally, this industry will achieve significant growth of 3 to 4% by 2015, reaching 1.55 billion to 1.7 billion metric tons annually. Over the same period, sustained high prices for raw materials and increasing consolidation will help to stabilize stainless steel prices. These are just a few reasons behind organizing this grand fair that will have more than 1,000 national as well as international exhibitors, more than 5 lakh footfalls, numerous conferences and seminars, innovation exchange forum on the latest products and knowledge available to the stainless steel industry, Stillurgy, laser show and 3D mapping show, theme pavilion on stainless steel, past, present, future, award night, food and beverage lounge and much more. 24 to 27 January 2015 will witness the biggest celebration of the century for stainless steel industry. Mahatma Mandir, Gandhinagar, Gujarat will be welcoming numerous national and international leaders of the industry to join hands to rewrite the future. In the presence of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the exhibition is going to create a revolution for the future of the industry.
Experience Gujarat, feel Gujarat. And then it is up to you to take the decision whether you want to make money or you want to wait for the money.
ISDO has taken the first step towards creating a revolution. It has started a movement of making stainless steel the foundation of the future. And ISDO is inviting you to celebrating sparkling 100 years of stainless steel. Let's join hands to rewrite the future. Let's converge to conquer new horizons. Let's get together to celebrate 100 years of stainless steel. Let's get united to bring in a change. The future beckons us. Let's be a part of it. ISDO, Indian Stainless Steel Development Organization. INDINOX 2015 International Stainless Steel Fair.